Right, part 3 of the Tasso 300 performance upgrade kit has arrived. So we've done the air intake on the other side, we've fitted the Dr Pulley Sliders, it's been remapped, and now we have the all singing all dancing Road version T316, actually stainless steel, number that, Road exhaust with a black end. I can tell you that is some substantial piece of work, that. I can't see how anyone can complain about Adam's work, because that is some hefty kit. It's a lot heavier than I thought it would be. Comes with instructions off a QR code. There's a bracket, but this should be pretty straightforward. But I thought that about the Dr Pulley Sliders, so let's see how it goes. Tools you're going to need: 13mm spanner, 13mm socket, and a 17mm on there. Possibly a 10mm to undo the exhaust manifold bolts a little bit, just to give a bit of movement when we line up this this exhaust. Quite a substantial bracket. Have to put the Tasso work stickers on somewhere, and there's some fitting kits to go with it. Right, let's crack on. Can't wait to get it all on and going. Ready for part 4 of this series of videos, which will be the review on how much it's improved it. First step, the exhaust clamp, which is a 17mm. So the good thing about this one is you don't have to take the manifold off. You have to take off the old exhaust, which is held on by, I think, 3 bolts. There's one under here. Can you see that one? Well, that was slack. There's another bolt, so you may be able to see that. That bolt up there. Handy tool, a good mirror. It's a shame I can't get the ratchet spanner on it. Should have left the other bolt in. Should have done this one first. Take all the weight off the exhaust. I'd slack that. So tip number 1, take this bolt out first. Ah, there we go. It's off. Fit bracket like that. We have a 5mm spacer at the top and a 10mm spacer at the bottom. Well, we don't need the 50mm spacer, that's for sure. Put that back in the bag. For 300 use a 5mm, I'll show you there. 5mm top, 10mm bottom. 5mm top. I presume we use the new bolt. Which seems rather long. And a 10mm spacer at the bottom. which again seems rather long. Is there any washers on this? I'm a great fan of using washers. How far is that coming through the back? No, it's not coming through the back, that's okay. So this is a slightly adjustable bracket, look. So you won't tighten these up quite yet. Just going to put some copper slip on this, so it slides on a bit easier. Oh, my version of copper slip anyway. Lovely. Now I haven't undone the top manifold yet. I'm just going to see how it goes. With regards to how close we are. First of all, that goes between there and there. Oh, there's a washer there, yeah. Washer on the side, big washer. Goes through there. Just put it on slack for now. That's as far as that'll go. Right, spanner to take that oxygen sensor out. This has to come out for the spring hook to be put on. It's a 22mm. If you haven't got 22mm adjustable, I'll probably do it. But I do have this slightly modified ring spanner, which does the trick. All it is a 22mm and just cut out a little gap for the wire to go around. Let that wire turn. Right, so we've got the oxygen sensor out. This is the spring clamp. Actually, I'll put a little bit of anti-seize compound on. Just a little bit, doesn't need a great deal. And then we'll just wind this back in. Oh, it just goes over. Right, okay. Now, as part of the remap, this is actually taken out of the equation. Put it all back in again. Right, there's that spring. We're just going to go actually, I'm going to just change them spring locations over. I know that makes a ape of the difference. Now, right, springs on. We'll tighten this one up, I think, and then move on to the other two mountain bolts. Right, so span one on the back. It's actually a locking nut on there, so that's solid. Just tighten these up now. And then there's just that one see that one. Right, that's it. It's all done. Right, so, moment of truth. What's it sound like? That's not too bad, that. That's not too loud. Looks the part. So I'm happy with that. Right, that's it then. It's on. That's the full upgrade done. We had the remap done and the airbox removed and the air filter sock put on. That was done by the main man himself, Adam. That was done on the Isle of Wight Rally. I've fitted the Dr Pulley Sliders. That's in video 2. That was a real pain of a job. Done a bit of a mod to the airbox to put it half back on to try and keep the noise down a little bit because the intake noise was quite loud. And we've just fitted the Tasso exhaust, which is a mighty impressive bit of kit. So all those parts together match the remap. Just got to see now what it's like on the road. One more video to go, of course, that's the review. So I'll stick the cameras on, the GPS cameras. We'll have a couple of runs, the 0-60s, 30-50s, 50-70s, that type of thing. And then I'll try and get one of the local lads who's got a standard, oh, looks a bit better, a bit 80, a standard GP300, and we'll have some runs out and just compare them together and see what we think. So yeah, give us a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See that final video of this 4-part series. Keep the faith.